How to verify your identity on Adsense. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Adsense. In order to verify your identity, you'll need to first of all log in. For that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.google.com/Adsense. I'll make sure to drop the link as well. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the homepage. So verifying your Adsense account will let you access a lot of features. So in order to verify, just scroll down a bit from the left hand side bar and go to payment section. Now first of all, to begin with the verification process, you'll have to enter or add a payment info. So for that, click on payment info. That's going to take you to the other page where you can actually add a payment method. So it could either be your bank account or maybe a debit card, credit card, whatsoever. Enter in the following information and move on with step number 2, where you can actually go ahead and check on verification. So over here, what you'll have to do is just provide in your ID. Make sure that you have the photos of your state ID or a driver license or passport whatsoever. Make sure to enter in all of the information accurately, and that's going to verify your identity on Adsense. However, for some reason, if you're unable to verify or it's rejected, then you can re-upload the images or recheck the information that you've provided and upload it once again. That might be able to fix it. So that's how you can verify your identity on Adsense. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.